Hi everyone and welcome to another video from the page. I've been very generously gifted two delicious looking sirloin steaks from Quality Meat Scotland, which are provided from Saunderson's Family Butchers in Edinburgh. I'm going to be doing a barbecue version of the Scotch Kitchen Scotch Beef PGI steak with tequila and lime. That recipe is available on the Scotch Kitchen website and is a perfect date night meal to enjoy on a warm summer evening. These are some of the finest cuts I've ever seen, and we're going to be cooking these on the Weber original kettle today using the reverse sear method. Now, steaks of this size I find are easier to cook to the perfect doneness, as you can get that temp to exactly where you want without burning the meat or making it too tough. While the grill's heating up, I can get on with the prep. I'm going to be doing these to medium rare today, so anywhere between 49 and 54 Celsius. I'm going to start by coating both sides of the steaks in rapeseed oil. This helps the steak achieve that perfect outer texture. Rapeseed oil has a slightly higher flash point than most other oils, so it's very good to use when there could be exposure to flames. Add some Himalayan salt. Some black pepper. And now let's fire up the grill. For the marinade, I'm going to start by chopping a handful of coriander, crushing some garlic cloves, a drizzle of olive oil, adding some salt and pepper, and giving it a stir. Next is the juice of one lime, and a shot of tequila. Now give it a stir and transfer it to a larger dish, as I'm going to be marinating the meat in here, and these are some hefty steaks. After about 10 or 15 minutes, these coals are ready to go. I'm using cocoa shell briquettes, which burn hotter for longer and heat up much faster. And on goes the cooking grate with the cast iron sear grate attachment. I'm going to be cooking the steaks on the indirect side and then searing them using the sear grate right above the coals. I'll just shut the lid and let that heat up for a little while. So our steaks are done, our marinade's ready, and we're just waiting for the grills to heat up. We've got some light blue smoke, temperature's up, so let's see where we are with this. That's smoking hot and good to grill. I threw in a lump of hickory wood to give a lovely smoky sweet flavour to the meat. Right, time to get these lovely Scotch Beef PGI Sirloins on the grill in an indirect heat area. It allows the meat to come up to temp without burning it, a bit like an oven. temperature probes will allow me to get to my target temperature of 45 degrees Celsius, and then they'll go onto the sear grate to finish. Let's just shut this and let the grill do its job. Okay, so these are almost done. Let's get ready to remove them. And there we go. These have been cooking for about 15 minutes and the smoke has given them a lovely red color. I'll just remove these from the grill while the center sear grate gets up to temperature. Just checking these with the thermopen and they're within 2 or 3 degrees of where I wanted them. Close enough. And now for the best part. We're going to get these onto the sear grate, which is going to give them those amazing cross-hatch sear marks and bring them up to temperature, which is going to be between 49 and 54 degrees Celsius for medium rare. Okay, so those were on the sear grate for about 1.5 minutes on each side. Now, straight into the marinade. I'm just going to spoon the marinade over the top, getting plenty on there to impart as much of that flavour into the meat as possible. After a few minutes, flip it over and do the other side. Okay, let's slice into this and see what we've got. And there we go, a delicious, juicy, tender, medium rare. Grill some corn and stick a wrap on the sear grate for a few seconds and serve with some guacamole and salsa. Simple, delicious Scotch. Thanks for watching.